Welcome to EHP Labs. OxyShred Gummies are popping up all over your feed lately, and you're probably wondering if they actually work or if it's just another case of aggressive Instagram marketing. They're pitched as the ultimate fix for energy and cravings, packed with fancy-sounding ingredients like L-carnitine and green coffee bean extract. Because apparently, regular coffee is just too mainstream for our fitness goals now. Let's break down what these actually do for you besides looking cute in a jar. Starting with the positives, the product is sold on Amazon, which means it survived at least a few basic quality checks and isn't just being shipped from a random basement. EHP Labs is also surprisingly transparent, listing everything from inulin fiber to white kidney beans clearly on the label. It's nice to know exactly what you're swallowing before you hit the gym, rather than playing supplement roulette with a mystery blend. They even have a functioning customer support line with a real phone number, a rare luxury in an era where most brands just ghost you via a broken chatbot. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Take 2 to 4 gummies a day, ideally on an empty stomach or before a workout. They even warn you not to exceed 4, which is a polite way of saying don't turn your heart into a percussion instrument. Now, looking at the reviews, the official website only has 2 of them. And surprise, surprise, they're both glowing. Because why would a company ever post a bad review of themselves? That's like a cat reviewing its own ability to knock things off tables. Of course, it's 5 stars. Over on Amazon, things get a bit more realistic with a 3.6-star rating. Fans love the strawberry flavor and the clean energy boost that doesn't end in a soul-crushing mid-afternoon crash. However, if you're used to high-stimulant pre-workouts that make your skin itch and your eyes vibrate, these might feel a bit like eating expensive candy. Some users even complained about the gummies turning into one giant, sticky blob in the jar, which is great if you enjoy wrestling with your supplements. In the end, OxyShred Gummies are a legit, tasty option for a mild boost, but they won't turn you into a superhero overnight. If this helped you out, like and subscribe for more honest takes. See you next time.